Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Confirm the exact IP or host name and the service port so you target the right endpoint. Check your credentials and permissions because authentication failures look like connectivity problems. Next, make sure your workstation network, VPN, and local firewall aren't blocking egress. Once done, try a quick ping or traceroute to see if the route exists. This gives immediate evidence of network-level blockage versus service-level failure. You now dig deeper. Run ping and traceroute or MTR to pinpoint where packets stop. That tells you if the problem is local, ISP, or data center. Then probe the specific port with Telnet or Netcat to confirm the service is reachable rather than just the host. Make sure to inspect server-side firewall rules and any cloud security groups, because a closed port will make a healthy server appear unreachable. If you find drops, capture logs and note time. You finish by applying the fix that matches your findings. Restart the affected service or networking stack, then watch logs for immediate errors to understand the root cause. Update firewall rules or cloud security groups and retest the port. Once reachable, perform an application-level check like HTTP or database connect to verify functionality. If connectivity still fails, reboot the server as a last resort, but before that collect logs, traceroutes, and timestamps to escalate. This troubleshooting package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.